Here is a Holmes Blizzard 7-inch oscillating table fan. It says Blizzard, and on the front ground, Holmes on the base. So here's the front. The side. And the back of the fan. It has a 2-speed switch and oscillation knob. Here's the information. Holmes 325-119 Intertech Blizzard 7-inch oscillating table fan made in China. Yep. We're gonna start the fan up now. Yep, it is quite powerful. We're going to turn high. It runs high, it's very powerful. That's super powerful for a 7-inch. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.